Here we go. Dave here, how are you? I'm going to do the 2018 shop tour slightly differently to how I normally do it. I'm going to use my little action cam and walk around the shop with this rather than have cameras set up. All right, starting off, we have the door, and last time the tour started at the linisher and went clockwise around the workshop. This time, 2018, going to start at the door and we're going to go counterclockwise. In the corner here to start, we've got all of the clamps hanging and also a broom in between them. That's a handy spot. You know, I've been looking around, why hang a broom from the head?
Dave Stanton, this is my woodworker. This is the woodworker I go to and watch every video he puts up. He does live stuff too from his shop, which he answers questions. He's got this cool shop down under in Australia, and I just love his accent. It's on my bucket list when I go to Australia to go to this shop and hang out with Dave and take my GoPro with me and do a shop tour and just kind of talk to him and have a lot of fun hanging out, maybe having a beer. If you haven't checked out Dave, I'll put a link to his channel, to this video, in the description down below. This is his brand new woodshop tour for 2018. I think he does one every year. He's got really cool tools. He's got a long history in woodworking. He's showing off his grandfather's tools here and notes and things, letters from his grandpa to I think his grandma. Just really cool. So a nice history of it. Back over at my channel, you can see the subscriptions that I have. These are channels that I follow. And let's see where David is. Should be right there. He is right there. So I can click on it and check out his channel anytime. But I don't really have to do that because all of the people I follow, I click the bell when I subscribe so I know when they drop a new video, so I don't have to do it manually. Also on my channel, and you're there if you're watching this video, if you look on the right hand side, it says featured channels. You can see the people that I'm recommending that other people take a look at, and there's David right there. And if I click on David right there, take you right to there's his YouTube channel, and this is what you will see. And I'll also say that Dave has a workbench, and it's pretty cool. It's the second best workbench design I've ever seen. Hey, if you like these videos and you want to follow along with my wood tips, my tool reviews, building my wood shop, my portable wood shop, smart, as well as my workbenches and just all manner of woodworking, and now my photography as well as some adventures to come, then be sure to subscribe, ring the bell. And if you want to support the channel, you can use my Amazon link that's in the description down below. And Amazon will not charge you any extra, but they'll share a little bit with us to support the channel. You can also purchase a set of my workbench plans before you purchase Dave's by clicking on the link right in the video or in the description of the video down below. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.